Hi guys, since we have already made a few video talking about one and one Inos or just Inos as a hosting provider, why not appreciate the web code and dive into what the Inos website builder has to offer. Is it modern user friendly tool with affordable pricing or something you should skip entirely and run to another option? All these questions and more will be answered in my Inos website builder review anyway for everybody. As we will start this Inos review by looking at the very first part of building your website. Choosing a good looking template. Inos does not go wild with its template though there are only a handful of them. The design here are clean and tailored for business or portfolio need. That say creative are not left out. There are full colorful modern looking template as well. I also appreciated that you can preview how template will look on a phone or tablet before making your choice. You have probably noticed the gain text at the top that keeps screaming AI. So let's look at what the Inos AI website builder offer. It works with prompts, so we can enter a description and then select a tone. After this, there are quick setup for color fonts and your website info. Then we get quite a good looking selection of design. Now not very every generated template is a winner, so you might want to play around with the prompts and setup. Overall, I have to say that I am pleasantly surprised by the style of the template and the modern approach with AI integration. It's plus for Inos. You have the main menu on the left with all you need: a market web editor, e-commerce and my email marketing. I have to give a small bonus point for the easily accessible and electric. However, the app market could use more app. Right now, it mainly offers translator and booking at once. So while it's not the best website builder for small businesses, it's still a solid choice for landing page, portfolio, or local business site. Next, let's dive into website editing before exploring the tool available. If you go to the dashboard and click edit website, we get to the editor. It's an interesting approach there. I say quite unique. The most attention grabbing feature is the preview, which show a smaller version of your site while scrolling. Quite a neat idea. The content tab allows you to mess with website structure, adding pre-made section or rearranging them over. However, there are no drag and drop control or individual element placement. This editor greets you with a rather unusual design approach. If you navigate to selection this setting then to element and activate this mode, you will be able to move element freely, similar to Wix or Hostinger. As for the individual element, you can add the section. It's not extensive, but it's decent in an interesting design choice. Switching mode does not change the entire editor. It only affects the specific section you are working on. This means you can mix drag and drop section with more straightforward pre-made option. On one hand, you need to activate the drag and drop mode for each section individually. If you want to use it across your entire site, you can use AI with any text element by simply doubly clicking on it. This brings out the standard word editor option and an AI helper. You can also improve text based on tone but cannot really give any other parameters here. Continuing with them, you can create an image with AI. If you go to replace any image currently, you can only enter a prompt. There are no reference image to style option and the quality is more cartoonish than real. So I do not know how much I would recommend in using it. A better thing is the Ino stock picture that offer realistic looking royalty free image, so you do not need to worry about licenses or other stuff. Overall, while there are some interesting decisions, the Inos website builder editor feel and control like a modern beginner friendly tool. Everything else here is quite self-explanatory. The style tab allows you to customize color fonts and other small options. The page tab lets you customize the structure of your site or add new home page, and of course the shop is more for product management. Alright, let's answer the question: is Inos good as a website builder or should you go elsewhere? To be fair, it's a surprisingly good and modern tool with a free trial and even a $1 a month plan. While it does have a few odd design choice and could benefit from more design option or variation, it's still a solid choice. It may not be the best website builder out there, but it definitely a tool I did recommend it for beginner. So give Inos a shot and don't forget those discounted link to save some sweet cash. Thanks for watching my Inos website builder review.